this is a part 3 to my other videos. She was the one who wanted to start posting content first. And then I was like, ooh, this seems cool. I can show people all my stuff. I can be open. And I went right ahead and I took that from her. I mean, if it weren't for her, I never would have went through all of what I've went through. And what I'm talking about is not all my fans. I'm not talking about never having my fans. I'm talking about my haters too. If you are a hater to furries, therians, anything, please comment on this video. It can be a hate comment. I don't care. I love you guys. Genuinely. By the way, I love my fans too, but I'm not talking about my haters right now. I love you guys. And if you're gonna bully me, I don't really care. It's not new. And you're a person too. I'm a person. And bully me all you want. Say I'm cringe. Say, what am I watching? Just leave a comment. Not to support me, but so I can personally thank you individually. You can report my video. You can bully me. You can leave the most vile hate comment ever. But just please leave a comment so I can see the people that I love genuinely. I love you guys. I love my fans too. The next person I'm going to be talking about is Clawed Beauty 101. She, at times, was my hotline. She, at times, was my suicide hotline. She has helped me through so much. And honestly, I don't know what I would do without her. Because obviously the actual suicide hotline sucks. It sucks. It crosses all of my boundaries. And I'm not talking about me wanting to leave the world. I'm talking about in general when I call them to tell them about something or ask them about help. It sucks. But I'm going to have to make more parts because 3 minutes isn't long enough to say what I need to say. But I genuinely love her. Not in a weird way, but I love her. And she helps me through a lot. Like starving myself.